Hello, everybody. We just got back from the post office, me and Maya. So we got a big box. Something a little different, something a little special, a little surprise for you guys. Not your usual Nikes, something different. Because, you know, I be different. Gotta be different, y'all. Gotta be different. Gotta be different, y'all. And there'll be a part 2 to this unboxing, because there's another item in this box that I'll be doing a separate video on, and I'll add it in the description below once that's finished as well. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Here is what we got. Look at this box. I like this. I am putting this on display. Move this out of the way. Yeah, bro. I love this box. What the hell? This is so sick. This is so dope, bro. What the hell? This is a sick box with like this little like painted, I don't know if that's reflective, Nike logo right there. This abstract gray design on this brown box. I really like it. Sick. Sick box, made in China. Most of them are. And so what shoe do we got today? What's in this crazy different box? Well, it's a different shoe, that's for sure. It's called the Nike Bedouin SP, and colorway Hyper Royal Midnight Navy, color code 400, and size 10, of course. Hopefully this shit fits nice. Hopefully it's true to size. And retail Canadian 170, but you know I got it on sale. You know I'm not trying to spend that full price. I gotta save a little dough so I can keep making these videos, buy more stuff for you guys. Yeah, this is it. Looks pretty sick. Are you guys ready for this? I'm ready. My first time you saw me open the box. Ooh, we got some nice kind of off-white colorway paper in here with the little Bedouin logo kind of going around there with the Nike logo also, and also that abstract light print on here throughout. Hold up, little pause, little backstory. So the Bedouin, this is actually based off a very vintage, like 1980 or older even Nike shoe. Very just like basic shoe. So it's based off the Bedouin, B-E-D-U-I-N or something like that. So they just changed it to the Bedouin, the new updated version, modernized. You guys are gonna love this colorway. I do. I'm so excited for this. And here we have it. First shoe. We got the left shoe here. Beautiful. So lightweight. Love this recycled sole. It's like very like craterized, very unique. And then this color on this thing is amazing. Kind of weird how it's the nylon fabric here. I don't really know why they didn't kind of keep it consistent, or at least like put leather here would have been better. I really think leather would have like really tied this all together, because all these other materials are really high end. This like nubuck suede with the Nike stitched logo. These very cool hemp looking, like hemp colorway, very like cottony with the blue laces, the blue embroidery. They're beautiful, but yeah, the leather would have pulled this together. I guess it's like to add the flexibility, you know what I mean? But like, leather would have kept it clean. Leather would have kept it like looking nice. Would have kept it clean. Would have pulled it all together. I don't know, like, what am I doing here? Yeah. You'll see a preview at the end of the video if you guys stay tuned and check that out. And then we got the embroidered Bedouin. So it's a Bedouin. And then see, that's the Bedouin logo on the back of the shoe there. Very snazzy. And then it's got like the recycled inside the tongue. You can see that with a nice cork sole on the inside. It looks like that with the Bedouin logo in there as well. Doesn't look like there's too much support. They seem pretty flimsible. Hopefully it fits good. Stitching looks pretty good. No like glue, no like fabric errors, you know what I mean? None of that. Looks pretty nice. We'll check out the other shoe first before I throw them on. A random piece of paper in here. I guess there's two papers in each. Oh, ho, ho, and the red laces, the burgundy like maroon with the hemp color. And they're very like cottony. It's very like, it even feels like hemp material. Maybe it's even made out of hemp. That would be even doper. Like, I love hemp material. But it really feels like that, like real like natural cotton. Oh yeah, they did put two papers in. Not really necessary, but I guess they didn't want it to like get crushed and fold in on itself. I've talked about that in other videos, how it's annoying when they deform like that. Yeah, same idea. The recycled tongue with the tag on there. Yeah, nothing on the tongue. That'd be cool if they would have put some kind of like inlet on the tongue. And looks like there's some like fuzz or like fabric issues up here, but that's okay. And pretty good print overall, no stitching errors like I was saying. Very nice overall. So now that we've looked at both of them together, pretty much gone over all the details on them, gonna toss these bad boys on the feet. Already loosened this one up, slide it on. Looks like it fits. There's a bit of room. Kind of a weird sole though. Like this thing feels like I'm like balancing. There's like, it's very like slim, the sole, you know what I mean? Like it's very like, yeah, very slim, not very wide. For my wide foot, it's like plopping over the edge. But yeah, it feels like I'm like wearing like a dress shoe or like some kind of like skates or something, you know what I mean? Because it's like so thin so narrow at the bottom. That's the word I was trying to think of. Jeez. See, I feel like I'm gonna like roll my ankles all the time when I'm walking. I'll show you guys what they look like. Maya, beep beep. Okay. So you see we got them on the feet. Got my Nike ACG socks. I would highly recommend these. Probably my favorite socks ever. Like, bro, they're so fire. I love these socks. Anyways, to the shoes. Yeah, see that nylon? Don't really go too well. But yeah, and like I'm saying, like you can see my foot like rolling over on the sole on this. It's a very just like hard sole. A little bit of cushion, I guess, from like that cork. But damn, they're so narrow. Like I'm like rolling around all over the place, bro. But they fit pretty true to size, besides that like really narrow sole and like the limited material, so that like that you don't feel much on your foot. Like you just feel like that like narrow sole. But they look sick. Damn, I'm gonna break an ankle walking in these though. Like rolling my ankles, I already feel it. Yeah, like walking around in these, bro, it feels really weird, but I think I'll get used to it, honestly. Really like it, really excited to rock these this summer. Gonna be a sick shoe, even for the fall too. Really like it. We got the Bedouin logo on the back. They look fire from all the angles. Dope. Check out the preview. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. And stay tuned for the second part.